So as you can see, this is a live text. I'm texting Mr. John Harrington. This is from this imported report right here. And yeah, so basically that's the type of results that we get. As you can see, this guy got a lot of items deleted. You could just scroll down, and I'm messaging him here. And yeah, I mean, might as well leave a review. And this is what we send. This is what I do. I spend a lot of my time just cleaning files and sending people back awesome results, right? So as you can see, this is like a live recording of me messaging him. So like I said, we just want to be transparent, show you what's up, and see. Most of them we did. And we have some pending for removal. So he's asking about some charge-offs. Let's go to the charge-off section. So charge-off here, not removed. Charge-off there, not removed. And then charge-off here removed. And then charge off there removed, charge off there removed. Yeah, so we got a lot. I think we only have 3. We only have yeah, so we pretty much removed 79 items with 3 remaining. So I would say that's close. I'd say a 90% deletion. For him, that's a lot. For us, that's a lot. For you, that's a lot, right? So if you need credit repair, give us a call. Well, don't call us. Just message us, email us, and we will get the job done.